we are going to take your 100 kettlebell swing challenge to new heights. So we're going to break it down into 25 swings at a time. And then between each 25 swings, the first time we're going to do a bicep curl. The second time we're going to do a tricep extension. The third time we're going to do a goblet squat. And the fourth time we're going to do a Russian twist. So that's 100 kettlebell swings and then 25 of each of those additional exercises. And I'm going to ask you to do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times through, as many as you can for your kettlebell workout. We're going to start with that. We're going to start with those kettlebell swings, okay? And we go 25. We're going to count. 3. Forget that hip hinge. 5. We're at 10. We're at 15. We're at 20. So you have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gonna put that down. You're gonna grab your next kettlebell because your swings need to be a heavier kettlebell. We're gonna do 25 bicep curls. 4, 5. We're at 10. We're at 20. Put that down. You're gonna go back to your heavy kettlebell that you're swinging with, and you're gonna do another 25 kettlebell swings. You're at 15. You're at 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. Put that down. Now you're going to do your tricep extension. Again, you're going to go lighter than your swing. Okay? You're going to do 25, and you're going to keep your elbows tight against your head. More. 4, 3, and 1. Okay. And you're going to go back to your next 25 kettlebell swings. All right. We're at 15. You're at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm gonna go goblet squat. We're gonna go down to your lightest again. So, arms up. Elbows in, and we're going to squat. 10. And that's all. Check out this one. Okay. Now, we're going to move into the last. We're going to move into the last of the 25 kettlebell swings. Okay. You ready? All right, here we go. We're at 15. We're at 20. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's put it over there. Because now we're going to do Russian twist. Okay. Again, we have 25 of those. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 15. This is 20. And that was 25 Russian twists. So I want you to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times through. Add that to be your new kettlebell challenge. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me in the gym with Kim. If you have any questions, leave them below. Thanks.